Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Omi in the Hellcat. I was previously a YouTuber, entrepreneur, and now I'm on 47th Street to try to take over the jewelry business. I've been working on this for like the last 10 years. It's been something I've been really putting on the back burner, but I think now I'm ready. 2014, when I got robbed, I was like, you know what? I need something different, something that's going to keep up with the time. So the first thing I thought was Fire Stick and how to, create software for it. And that's how I came up with GearsTV. And GearsTV was a cable subscription that I created that basically took away from all the other cable companies. I became rich, went to prison for it, and I'm here now.
Undisclosed if you want.
I did my time.
How much did you make off of the Fire Sticks?
In 3 years, I did over $165 million.
What do you have planned for the future that you're going to do in new projects?
So right now, I'm working on so many projects. I'm working on the peptides project. I'm dropping Reloaded shoes again, Reloaded merchandise. My company made $30 million in the past 2.5 years off of selling shoes.
For people who don't know, what was the sneaker you created?
I made a Nike Jordan 1 silhouette and was just recently sued by Nike. Shout out to Nike. And we got a new silhouette that's 100% mine, and that's coming out now.
How much did Nike sue you for?
$8 million.
And were you able to keep part of your license of the shoes you created?
100%. They can't do nothing. Fuck Nike.
And will they be dropping soon?
They'll be dropping actually next month.
What date and where can they buy them?
You can find it at reloaded3x.com. And you can find me now at 25 West 47th Street here in the Pristine Building. Booth GF3, baby. Let's go.